Yeah, this track is called the Ya Mean. The Ya Mean, when you taking care of the Ya Mean. You in the club and about to do the Ya Mean. In the bathroom with the bitch, she like the Ya Mean. Yeah, you know, get down low, suck it up, swallow up, bitch. You know, the Hugo. Niggas in the club like, you know, the Hugo. Yo, we about to take care of the Ya Mean. In the back of the club, we smoking Ya Mean. We drinking that shit, what's it called? I don't know the Ya Mean. You like your girl, what's your name? Hadn't heard the Ya Mean? Yeah, it's all good like that. We spit trap, niggas talking about that Sweetsboro rap. Yo, I'm in the place where they do the Ya Mean. You wanna find me, I'm next to the Ya Mean. Yo, my card and my tags, I say Ya Mean. You say you got the blunts, I be like, I got the Ya Mean. It's better than yours, but you, of course, you gon' say you got the lean, but you got shorts. I mean, I'm at the back of the bar like, yeah, I mean, I'm fucked up, but I was drinking the, oh yeah, the I mean. You talking dumb, bitch, I reverse it. You talking dumb, I reverse, rip the curse when I talk worse it. Can't stand it, god damn it. I come from the club, be like represented. Yo, I like that and she likes this and we talk money. I represent but the rewind button hit the stick and I'm cussing. Yo, talking about the Ya Mean. What you know about a nigga with the Ya Mean? He did 20 cause he fucked with the Ya Mean. He did 30 more cause he fucked with the Ya Mean. He ain't learned from fucking with the Ya Mean. I go to the block, niggas saying they got the Ya Mean. I be like, you ain't got shit, you got the Ya Mean. And if you talk some bullshit, I got the Ya Mean. I bring it to your house and blow it up, the Ya Mean. You dumb fucks don't know who this is. It's Sweetsboro, David Ruffin. See me on Facebook, bitch. Yo, I know I came wrong. I know I said the same shit, but I stayed wrong. Yo, I'm at the corner, yo, I'm smoking on the Ya Mean. I'm trying to get rid of this Ya Mean for the Ya Mean. The cops came down and tried to run down on the Ya Mean. I'm like, what the fuck, bitch? I was the Ya Mean. I thought I was, but they said I wasn't, bitch. They said I had it, but I really didn't call that shit. I had to go to try and represent the Ya Mean. I had a lawyer, he was kinda on the Ya Mean. He didn't know what to do. I said, Ya Mean. What the fuck, the jury looking like Ya Mean? Damn, what you talking about, nigga? I represent the track and I be spitting for these niggas. Sweetsboro, Church Street, everybody say that shit. Fuck calls, bro. We say hey when we rep this shit. I'm in the place where they say they do the Ya Mean. I'm looking like y'all faggots got the Ya Mean. And if you fuck with them bitches, you got the Ya Mean. And the Ya Mean got the Ya Mean from Ya Mean. Damn, what you talking about, Ya Mean? My boy said he got the club, but they got Ya Means. I go to the car and I'm dancing. I'm like, what the fuck, yo? Santa Claus, what the? Yo. Represent this shit, Sweetsboro all day. We can talk more shit. I don't care what you say. Around my way, we rap. And with the Ya Mean, I got the Ya Mean. I mean the Ya Mean. I got the Ya Mean before we get the Ya Mean. He talking crazy, but that's really like Ya Mean. He talking stupid, but I'ma put him on the Ya Mean. Hey, yo, all day, bitch. I mean, I got reference. You catch me at the ball, bitch. And I said some stupid shit, but yo, ow.